are at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show with this beautiful 1966 Chevy 2 Pro Street with the owner.
Hello, I'm Shane Lockhart from Chesterfield, Virginia. I own a 1966 Nova SS Chevy 2.
And we're going to take a look at it now and tell us more about it, Shane.
It's a tuxedo black paint. It's Chris Austin full tube chassis under. It's got a 582 all aluminum Rodex big block Chevrolet. It's got a Lenco 4-speed coupled up to a 9-inch Ford with a 31/1650 rear tires.
Very nice. You said a 9-inch rear?
It's a 9-inch Ford, correct. The car was originally built for drag week. It's an event where they run 4 or 5 racetracks in 1 week, and you got to drive them on the street. So it's a pump gas motor, so I don't have to run racing gas in it, but you can drive it. It makes about 950 horsepower.
What type of gears you say?
It's got a 389 gear. It's got a high gear in it made for cruising. So with the Lenco 4-speed, you can gear it down if you need to.
So is that like an overdrive?
No, no overdrive in it. That's why the rear is the 389 in it. Correct. Yeah, all your Lencos, when it's in high gear, it's a 1-to-1.
Very nice detail in the pointed seats, carpet.
Of all the cars I got, this is probably the most fun car to drive. One of my buddies described it as driving it like a go-kart. But with the Lenco, it's a lot of fun on the street.
What else do you have besides this?
I had a gold Chevelle. I've got another Nova.
71 Chevelle?
Correct.
With the black vinyl top?
You got it. That's it.
Yeah, I got some video of that.
That's it.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. All right, very nice walk around. How long have you had it?
I got this car probably 2 months ago. I haven't had this car long. This car come out of New Jersey. Bought it from a good friend of mine. The car was finished about 4 or 5 years ago. Like I said, it was built for a drag week type event. Even it comes with a little trailer hitch. You can pull a little trailer with it down the road.
Oh my goodness. All right, Shane, I appreciate your time.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good luck at the show.
Thank you.
You're welcome.